Hey my loves, thank y'all so much for tuning into my channel today. Y'all, if you want to hear about me finally, I'm late to the party, but if you want to watch how I styled your girl and get my thoughts on this sister, you're going to want to stay right there, okay? If you are not subscribed, you can officially become one of my lovelies today by pressing the subscribe button. I would love to have you in my life. I need you. So please do subscribe to my channel and become one of my lovelies today. Also, don't forget to tap the alert bell. All right? And then also, I'm putting the link below for my new Facebook group. I just started the group so that I can interact with y'all cuties, okay? I just wanted to really be able to connect with y'all on a closer level. So, with that being said, let's get into it. Woo! Y'all, today's video is on Nuna. It's a Wig Nuna, okay? Your girl finally joined the party. I'm hecka late, but she's in here, okay? I'm in chill. So we are going to style this sister up and let you see how we styled her. What she looked like straight out the package when I put her on my head and all that stuff. So let's check that out, and I'm gonna be right back with you to give you the deets.
No. Original. Just say no. Just say
Body nice. See, I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
No. Just say
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So they give me your number when I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come true. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
no. Just say
Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe.
Original Batman,
turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe.
It's Vkillz.
Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe.
Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's Vkillz.
Aye. Put
chip on the Prada, send me feeling bad. I'll be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them are coming, them are looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about, man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me when I get that feeling.
FYI, my hair is super short. I have a TWA. I put on the wig grip and then put on my wig cap on top of that. She fits pretty well. She does not have combs though, guys. So, but the adjustable straps are good enough. She has ear tabs, so I did squeeze those. She's not going anywhere. If you really want security, you can just add a bobby pin on each side near the temples, and she won't go anywhere. But she's not super big head friendly, but she's not snug on me either. So you have a little bit of room to work with. So for my bigger head cuties out there, if your hair is braided down, you should be okay, but she's not like a really loose cap to where it'll be like super comfortable, especially if you have a whole lot of hair. You definitely have to braid that hair flat. So, all right, y'all. So now that you saw how she was packaged, you saw me style her. She's highly affordable. Let me just get into the deets, okay? So I purchased mine. I purchased Nuna from Wigtypes, www.wigtypes.com. I'm gonna put the link down below for y'all, as I always do in the description box. Okay, so check that out. I did not know she was gonna go that long. Like, I know a lot of older wigs they discontinue, but this diva is a full cap wig. She has a finger wave look, similar to, kind of similar. Short, like, you know, the mommy wig that was really popular, all the mommy wigs that came out. Those were human though, but man, she is beautiful. Like, I really did not think that, you know, a wig manufacturer could ever pull this look off with a synthetic, you know, with it being synthetic hair. So, y'all, and I love the color. So let me tell you, so I have Nuna in NDXBlueberry. Again, an NDXBlueberry. Let me show you a little closer. And she has a part. It's a curved part. And that makes her look even more natural. So I definitely wouldn't mind getting her like in a number 2 or something, like a regular color. But I love this. Y'all, blue is my favorite color. So I am here. Your girl is here for this, okay? Oh, yeah. Y'all like my 25mm lashes that I got from Amazon? If y'all want the link and stuff for these lashes, just let me know. I'll drop it for you. I want y'all to be cute too, you know what I'm saying? Gotta keep you slaying. So anyway, I love that she has the real hairline part already tweezed deep and wide, which is very nice. I put some makeup in it, brought it to life. Bam, that's all we needed, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this unicorn blonde is very pretty too. So yeah, if you have this girly right here, I would like to hear your thoughts on her. She did shed like quite a bit while I was styling her. I was, you know, kind of dusting off my clothes and stuff, but she is gorgeous, okay? She is iron friendly, safe up, she's iron friendly, safe up to 350 degrees to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So pretty much the norm. As far as her texture, she feels kind of yucky-ish in texture to me. She's not super silky, but that's good. She probably can hold this curl a lot longer like that. So yeah, I love her. The wig care instructions are in the back of the stock card, but let me show you how she looking on me in comparison to the model, how she's rocking her kind of straight out the package. I styled her, okay? So that's the difference. You have to really make your wigs your own and style them to your liking. But can y'all see that? There, let me make sure. It looked like the camera went dark. So But yeah, on the model and on your gal, L-A-L. Front, right side. Center again in the front, and bam, whip around to the left. And I'm gonna show you the back. So that's her in the back. Y'all, she is absolutely lovely. Y'all, with these 25mm lashes, honey, she is really popping. Yeah, I'm really feeling her. Like, I'm so mad that I slept on her so long. But what happened was, when she first came out, she was so popular. Everybody kept buying. She would be sold out. And so I could never catch her. And I was like, okay, I give up on Nuna. So I never really went back for her. I was like, I could just live without her. But y'all, I'm so glad that I got me one now. So don't sleep on Nuna. Listen to your girl, okay? Even if you don't really see yourself in short wigs or whatever, don't sleep on the cutie dudes, y'all, because they're really cute. You just have to try, and you know once you try whether or not you like something. Sometimes it takes me to put something on, I hate it, and then mess back in it again, and then I can come up with something that I actually like with it. So, you know, don't sleep on her. It's a wig. Y'all did y'all thing with this chica right here. Yes. So I really like her. She's pretty easy to style. I did put some wig conditioning spray. This Remy. I put that in, and that's it. I didn't even use the hair mousse, but I did clip right here. I clipped those and put a little bit of Gotta Be Glue on, just because I know that's going to be strong enough to kind of hold them down because the hair is curly. So yeah, what y'all think? What do y'all think? Trying to make it a little bit more messy up there, but yeah, I absolutely love it. So, you know, let me know y'all opinions if you have her and everything. Chat with your girl in the comments. I hope you are following me on social media and everything, y'all. So please do follow me, hit me up. I love to mingle and get to meet you and everything, get to chat with y'all. So I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. So y'all, everything is, it's Lovely Angel Lady, all one word, on everything. So you can find me, okay? So I look forward to chatting with y'all and seeing y'all on social media this week. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Your girl loves you. Please share this video. Don't forget to go get the link in the description box to join the group. I really have fun with y'all, and I'm looking forward to what we have in turn for the future. We're gonna turn up and have a great time. But I'm in several other groups, including Wig Slayers and Wig Slayers exclusive. I'm gonna stay in those groups. This group is just pretty much to be able to connect with y'all about the things that we enjoy, anything beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related. All right. But your girl is looking sexy. At least I think so. I got my little shimmer look going on. It's neutral but really shimmery. I got my glow going. Got my glow going. So y'all, don't forget to join the group. I will go in and approve you, okay? And share your pics and all that stuff. You know, come share your stuff in the group. But I love y'all. I hope everybody is doing okay quarantining at home. I hope y'all are healthy and well. I'm praying for you. Your girl loves you. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Hey. Y'all, I'm acting like I'm still in Louisiana. But anyway, deuces, and I'm out.